In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a quantity button on Wix. Whether you're new to Wix or looking to enhance your online store, this tutorial will guide you step by step to set up a quantity button seamlessly. By the end of this video, your customers will be able to select how many items they'd like to purchase with ease, improving both their shopping experience and your store's functionality. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to your Wix Dashboard. This is your main hub for managing your site, so make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're there, locate the Catalog menu on the left-hand side of the homepage. It's a key section where all your product-related settings and tools are housed. Next, hover your mouse over the Catalog option. You'll notice that a submenu appears. Now, move your cursor to the Store Products option and pause there for a moment. Another menu will pop up, and from that list, you'll want to click on the Product section. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to managing and adding items to your store. Once you're in the Product section, you'll see a button in the upper corner labeled New Product. Go ahead and click that to start adding a new item to your store. When the menu appears, select Physical Product. This tells Wix that the item you're adding is something tangible that will be shipped to customers. Now it's time to add some visuals. Click on the Add Images button to upload product imagery. Make sure to choose clear, high-quality images that showcase your product in its best light. First impressions matter, and good visuals can make a big difference in attracting customers. After your images are uploaded, move to the Name field and enter the product name. Be specific and clear. This is what your customers will see when they browse your store. If you want to highlight something special about the product, such as if it's new, on sale, or exclusive, you can also add a ribbon. This is an optional feature, but it's a great way to grab attention. Next, you'll need to write a detailed description of the product in the description field. This is your opportunity to tell your customers everything they need to know. Be thorough here, include key features, benefits, and any other details that might help them make an informed decision. Once that's done, scroll down to the Options section. This is where we'll add the Quantity button. Click on the Add Options button, and when prompted to name the new option, call it Quantity. This aligns with the number of items a customer can purchase. For the format of this option, set it to List. This will enable a drop-down menu, allowing customers to select their desired quantity from a predefined list. After that, specify the available quantity in stock under the appropriate field. This ensures your inventory is accurately reflected on your site. Now, click on Manage Pricing and Inventory. This is a crucial step where you can review and adjust pricing and inventory numbers. Double-check everything carefully. Accuracy here is key to avoiding any confusion for your customers. If you notice anything that needs to be corrected, simply click on Edit to make the necessary changes. Once you're satisfied with everything, hit Apply to save all your changes. This will make your configurations live, and your Quantity button will now be up and running on your Wix store. And there you have it. You've successfully added a Quantity button to your Wix store. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.